if you are going to design the web page in more attractive manner, then you need to use CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now we have chosen our text editor, which is Notepad. Instead of using Notepad, you can able to use Atom, Sublime Text, Notepad++, brackets, Komodo Edit, CK Editor, Notepad, Bluefish, Ultra Editor, Apache NetBeans, and Microsoft Visual Studio Code, CodePen, and Blue Griffon. Most popularly used editor are Notepad and Microsoft Visual Studio Code. How to install a VS Code? If you want to download the VS Code, search VS Code here, and you can able to go to the Visual Studio Code and you can able to download. So now you can able to download for Windows, you can able to download for Ubuntu, you can download for Mac. And now I have already downloaded the particular VS Code in my browser. Here I am going to click VS Code exe. Now accept the license and agreement, click on next and choose the directory where you want to install, and I am going to click next and click the next and create the desktop icon and click on next and install and finish. So now VS Code will appear in this manner on your screen. If you are going to see the left hand side, the first icon represents the Visual Studio Code works with folders instead of your project. Here if you are going to check this one, it is an explorer. So now it is going to work with the folder. For example, if you want to open a folder, which particular folder you would like to choose, that particular folder you are going to select. So within my username, which particular folder you want to create, otherwise you can able to create a new folder. Just I am going to type HTML. So now I am going to select the folder. So here it is going to ask, so trust all the authors from this particular directory. Now we came to know whatever the files you are going to save here, you can able to save in that particular folder. So now if you want to create a new file, you can able to click on new file and you can able to create a file. So now whether it is a text file, you can click on the text file. So now you can able to save the file name followed by the HTML. So now whenever you are going to select a language, select which particular code you are going to type over here. Here I am going to select simple HTML, and if you are going to click the HTML, you can able to type. It identifies the file name followed by the HTML. So now basic tags I am going to click. If you are going to press enter by typing one tag, it is going to show in a different line. Here if you are going to type the head, so now it is going to show the head tag ending with the backslash. So now here I am going to just type header tag, so h1. Now here I am going to type first web page. So next, if you want to add a title, you can able to add the title in the head tag. So next title, just hello. So next you can able to open the body tag, just a simple thing which I have typed. So now you need to save the program by pressing the Ctrl S. Otherwise you can able to click on the file save. It is going to show which particular folder you are going to create. So here I am going to hello. So then it has saved the file. If you want to run the file, you click run, and if you can able to start debugging. So which particular debugging you want to choose. So Edge and Chrome are two particular browsers you are having. I am going to click Chrome. So once if you are going to click the Chrome, so then it is going to show whatever the content we have typed in the web page. The next one is here you are having a search bar, search, which it is showing Control Shift and F. Control Shift and F. If you are going to press this one, you can able to search for a particular file which you have given in a folder. So then it is going to search for a file. Just I am going to type hello. So then it is going to show which particular file you would like to open. So then you can able to search by using this particular search bar. The third option is source control or version control. Here if you are going to click this one, you can able to use Git, which is one of the popular source control and version control system. Next you can able to download it for Windows. If you are going to click the fourth one, so this particular option is for debugging. So now you can able to run a file and you can able to debug a particular file The fifth option which you are having is extensions. So where you can able to see what are the installed extensions which we are having. For example, we doesn't have any extensions here. The installed is 0. So now if you want to install any extensions which you would like to install, just type HTML. If you are going to type the HTML, so then it is going to show the different versions which HTML and CSS are supported. You can able to install HTML boilerplate. Now it is going to show the state is installing, and now it is going to show that it has installed. It has installed successfully. If you want to open the VS Code in the command prompt, I am going to open the CMD and I am going to type CODE. If you are going to type the code, then the new window of VS Code will be displayed on the screen. Here I am going to close my previous window and I am going to open the new window. In this manner, you can able to open the VS Code by using a typing the code in your command prompt. Now if you want to run the code, you can able to click on run. Here you can able to click on run. Otherwise go to the debug, run and debug. You can able to install which particular HTML you want to install. So this is an extensions, and you search for a category live server. Here the live server I am going to install. Open with live server. So now here it has opened the page in the live server. Here you can able to see an IP address 127.0.0.1 followed by port number 5500 hello.html. If you want to change the color and font in VS Code, you can able to type Ctrl Shift and P. And if you are going to type Ctrl Shift P, so if you are going to click color and theme, you can able to change color and theme which you would like to choose. And again I am going to press Ctrl Shift P and click on color and theme, and you can able to use a white light and it is showing another one. So then again Ctrl Shift P and again type color and theme. Here you can able to use dark Visual Studio Code and Ctrl Shift P, and you click on color theme and dark high contrast and Ctrl Shift P. Here you can able to select color and theme, so which you can able to use by your preferred manner. The better thing is dark Visual Studio Code, so which is by default. This is all about VS Code. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.